Hey everyone, I am David. Imagine launching high-converting webinar funnels that make sales on autopilot without spending weeks writing scripts, recording videos, or building complicated pages from scratch. Sounds pretty amazing, right? If you are looking for a smart way to boost your online income with proven webinars, then you are going to love what I am sharing today. Before we dive in, make sure you check the link in the description box right now. There you will find my complete written review of WebinarClonesAI, including all the one-time offers, the biggest discount available today, the all-in-one bundle deal, and my exclusive special bonuses. These bonuses cover key areas in digital marketing that will help you get even better results with this product.
Affiliates, here I am inside of the members area of WebinarClonesAI, and we go live this coming Tuesday at 11 a.m. Eastern. Well, actually, we do have a 10 a.m. Eastern webinar, and the registration is opening soon, so you'll be able to mail this on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday morning. We do go live with a live webinar at 10 a.m. But what I want to do is show you inside of this members area, because I am so stoked. There is enormous value inside of here for anybody who is wanting to make money online and has maybe struggled with webinars, or, I mean, let's face it, webinars are crazy. You know, you have to be an expert really to run these, but Jono Armstrong and Alan Maglioka, that is a tongue twister, Alan Maglioka, have put together this product. So Alan has actually spent over $100,000 on his webinar software. And what we've done is we've popped it into this brilliant app so that your buyers, so that we could launch it really on JVZoo, so that your buyers can get a taste of what it's like to run webinars. So here I am inside of the members area here. This is the main dashboard where we have the analytics. Now we can go over and open up the library, and this will take us over to the main dashboard here where you get started. We have webinar clones here, and these are all of the clones. Now, these are all of the offers that we have inside of WebinarClonesAI, and we are selling 5 of these. But for the launch, for the 7 days of the launch, we've made that 10. So there are actually 10 ready to go webinars that just have to be cloned into the buyer's account, and it's super easy to clone. I'm going to be able to show you that shortly. And we have a couple of extra bonuses that we throw in there too. We just wanted to over deliver here and make sure that buyers had a great range of products to select from. So we do have from videos to an OpenClaw product to an agentic website product to a review product, YouTube reviews, to TikTok shop product, to flipping domains, to traffic magnets that send traffic to your website, and webinar clones itself, as well as we have some reoccurring income, which we thought would be super cool to have that inside of the front end. And I know this is just the front end that we're showing here, and you know, if you add on the upsells, this is a complete business. So in the upsells, we do have a partnership available there. We have Empire, which is the agency part. We have Done For You as well, so we can do this completely for your buyers. And we have a white label in there, so we are actually selling a white label version of this that people can grab, make 100% commissions off this product whenever they sell it. And then we also have bonuses that are in the bonus section here. So what we've done in this traffic section here is over $20,000 worth of traffic here, because we know that it's all good and fair enough giving buyers access to an incredible software that runs webinars 24/7 and the products to run in there so that they can make commissions and all that sort of stuff. But they still need to get traffic to those webinars, hence why we have $20,000 worth of free traffic. And let me just give you a little sneak peek of what that kind of looks like, because this is what we're giving them access to. These are incredible marketers. We're talking about Mike Philistines, who is here. You can see Omar and Melinda Martin's here. Paul Counts is in here as well. Todd Gross, of course, is here. Ron Douglas. We've got John Thornhill is here. Joel Theron. Yes, a whole host of incredible marketers. Oh, Ben Martin is in here as well. And yes, so we wanted to make sure we put in a heap of traffic training, as well as we have so much traffic that's available here. We're also going to, take them through solo ads. We'll take them through some paid traffic methods. We'll take them through some organic traffic methods. We really have over delivered on the traffic to go with this as well. So we hope that you can see that. Alrighty, so let's start off by cloning one of these so that you can see how easy it is. And I am going to go with, let's do instantly call. Okay, so first of all you have to do is go and apply for your affiliate link. It's pretty straightforward. You would apply for your affiliate link, then you get your affiliate link, right? So you want to make sure that you keep hold of that. We're obviously working with all of the vendors that own these products, so we can make sure that everybody gets access to the affiliate link. Now we're going to clone the webinar. So we're just going to hit clone. Yes, we want to clone it. It's now going to go into my my WebinarClonesAI dashboard. And it's as easy as that. Now we have cloned our webinar and it is in there ready to go. So, okay, affiliates, head on over to the JV page, which is www.webinarclones.net/exclusive-invite. I'll put the link underneath the video here, and get ready for a ripper launch. Talk to you soon.
Now, let us talk about what exactly WebinarClonesAI is. WebinarClonesAI is a done-for-you webinar deployment system that lets you launch high-converting webinar funnels without creating anything yourself. Instead of spending weeks or even months building everything from the ground up, you can simply deploy webinars that are already proven to convert buyers at rates between 20% and 50%. Inside the platform, you get access to 5 fully built webinar funnels created by experienced marketers. Everything is ready to go. You receive pre-recorded webinar presentations, professionally written scripts, high-converting funnel pages, automated follow-up sequences, replay and email automation, plus ready-to-use webinar campaigns. The best part is that you do not need any technical skills, marketing experience, or expensive video creation tools. WebinarClonesAI handles all the heavy lifting so you can start promoting offers and generating commissions much faster than ever before. Stay with me because in this review, I am going to show you exactly how it works, who it is best for, and whether it is truly worth your investment. Let me walk you through the most important features so you can clearly see what this tool can actually do for you and how it helps you start earning with webinars. First, you get 5 complete done-for-you webinar funnels the moment you log in. These are not empty templates. They are fully built, pre-recorded, and professionally scripted by top marketers like Jono Armstrong and Alan Magliocca. Each funnel is already proven to convert at 20 to 50%, so you can start promoting right away instead of building everything from zero. Next, there is a powerful AI traffic engine inside the platform. This tool helps you create high-converting ads, social media posts, and organic content for any platform. Even if you have never written an ad before, the AI does the heavy lifting so you can drive traffic faster and smarter. You also receive $20,000 worth of free traffic resources and premium training. This includes exclusive footage from real JVZoo events with actual top earners sharing their strategies on camera. It is training you will not find anywhere else. Another great feature is the dynamic calls to action, polls, and smart segmenting. The system automatically shows the right offer at the perfect moment during the webinar. It also tracks who leaves early, who answers polls, and who abandons the checkout. Then it sends each person the exact follow-up message they need. On top of that, you get built-in email and SMS follow-up sequences. This means every lead who enters your funnel gets automated messages. People who miss the live event are sent to the replay, and those who do not buy are gently brought back with the right sequence. The platform also includes live chat simulation. Viewers see a realistic live chat happening during the webinar, answering common questions and objections automatically. This makes the whole experience feel like a real live event, even when you are not online. Everything is fully hosted with zero ongoing costs. You do not need Zoom, EverWebinar, or any other paid service. This alone can save you more than $100 every single month. You can easily customize the funnels too. If you want to add your own videos, just drop in an MP4 link, and the system swaps it in without rebuilding anything. There is also complete step-by-step training made for beginners. It shows you exactly how to get traffic and start generating sales, even if you have never done a webinar before. Finally, you get a real-time analytics dashboard so you can see what is working, who is watching, and where your best traffic is coming from. Plus, the funnels are optimized for organic traffic from ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity, giving you more free visitors over time. With all of these powerful features working together, you can see why WebinarClonesAI makes webinar marketing so much easier. I am going to jump right into the live demo so you can see exactly what the platform looks like from the inside. You will watch me log in, walk through the dashboard, deploy one of the done-for-you funnels, customize a few settings, and set up the traffic tools step by step.
Hello and welcome. In this WebinarClonesAI demo, we're going to essentially log in to WebinarClonesAI and show you exactly where to go, how it works, what's there, and how simple this system truly is, being able to literally promote automated evergreen webinars 24/7 for mid, high ticket, recurring, all types of offers and price models in these automated evergreen webinars with, of course, we have show you how to get traffic as well. And so I just want to go in here really quick and just show you around and show you our main features and everything that you can do with WebinarClonesAI. So let's go ahead and log in to this demo account. And as you can see, we are now logged in. Up here, you're able to watch the quick start guide, of course, and then we'll go to the library here in a minute. That's where the entire course is. We have the dashboard of all of the users' campaigns, how many sessions they had today, how many people got registered, how many attendees, how many conversions, if they chose to place their pixels, which we have pixels they can place. Bunch of awesome stuff with in-depth granular tracking that I'll get into shortly, but essentially they have some stuff on their main dashboard that they can use to view all their stats, and they can also see it in much more depth over here in analytics. Okay, so let's first go to the library, and this is where all of the training is going to be. So we start off with, of course, the webinar clones, which is the main course, or not course, rather, software, the main core of the product. But this is where you are essentially going to see the order of our offers, the price point that is selling for, the commissions. So you're able to see and pick whichever, webinar you'd like to clone first. And so after that, you can just scroll down and see different webinars to promote. These are all of the ones here. Again, we have the information again. So let's just go through one, and I want to show you how to clone one just so you can see how easy it is. Okay, so step one, we applied to promote this webinar, and we go to apply. Now I'm already approved for this, so I'm just going to keep this here, okay, because I'm going to grab it later. And then I'm going to go to clone the webinar. Okay, so when we clone the webinar, it's going to ask you if you want to clone this webinar, and you say yes, clone it, and it shows up right here in instant time. Okay, now you can also click this. This is going to be your landing page. You have two options here. You can either, if you want us to host everything for you, no domain, no website, nothing, then you copy this link, okay? If you want to create your own page, then we have a widget as well, and I will go through that. So let me just show you the page. If we copy it and paste it, this is a mobile optimized landing page, and they're able to click and go ahead and, claim their spot and go right into the event. Everything is done already as far as the cloning process goes. So the only thing you have to do now is open up the event, the webinar, and you can edit it if you want to. You can rename it. You can, I don't recommend changing the name, for the actual MP4 that's being hosted here, but you have that. You can select a chat and upload a chat if you want to. So let's say for this one, we want to upload a chat. Then I have one called default chat. And this is just, people going back and forth with their cities. Hey, where are you from? It's great to be here, that kind of stuff. Or you can not upload any at all, but you can upload a chat there. You can also choose the snowball effect. So as more people join your sessions, these chats compile into one giant one. So if someone leaves a comment saying, I love this event, on the 4:30 webinar, the 5 o'clock webinar will automatically display that as well. And so you're snowballing your chat comments. And so you can upload a pre one and or do this one. And pretty soon we're going to actually, right post launch, we will be introducing the AI side of things. So you're able to have these and chat with people in real time. And we'll get to that in a minute under chats. So not only will you be able to chat with people in real time and have simulated chats, but also you can have AI chats answering as well. Okay. So you can also add a webinar series here. And what this is if you want someone to stay to the very end of the webinar, you can entice them or incentivize them by saying, hey, I'm going to give you a $2,000 bonus of, my $2,000 high ticket course or whatever, right? So you can put any MP3 files for audio or MP4 videos, and this will essentially be within the webinar software. But after the webinar is over, they will unlock all this content. So you can put as many videos or audio as you want in here. If you want to choose audio, you can also select from our gallery, go to system, and we have, all these different types of looping, kind of things that are really cool. If you wanted to have it sort of like a podcast. So let's say you wanted to, use this one, you would select that. And then your audio podcast would be talking over this loop. So we just had the ability to create a podcast or any form of video or audio playlist here. Okay. So then we can do webinar presenters. If you wanted to upload your image and add your information, you can do so here. And then we'll go to the next tab. This is where you can set anything you want. If you want, like, again, we're giving you our clones, so we want you to copy it directly over and use as is. But I'm just showing you also what can be edited. So instead of every 10th minute, if you want to go top of the hour, you could change that. Every 5th minute, every 15th, whatever it is. Okay. You can also add certain days and times if you want to. You can display, we have it set to only display the next immediate one. You could display the next 4 or 5, however many you wanted. Okay. And again, these are just recommendations. You can change whatever you want. You can also block holidays. Again, hardly anyone would need to use that, but just in case, if you wanted to man the chats and it was your birthday or something, you could block a certain day, right? So anyways, let's go to the next one, which is the registration. Now you can add last names here and phone numbers, and or you can just keep and make them mandatory or not, or you can just keep the minimal first name and email. And we have design buttons that the color scheme is for each one. So you can change these if you want to, but we have already set these up for you. And this is where, if you wanted to host on your own landing page, let's say you have a WordPress or Wix or Go High Level or GHL, ClickFunnels, even like building lovable sites with AI, whatever it is, right? You simply would just copy this widget and paste it in there, and it would go work for you. Okay, so you can create your own landing page or even System IO if you want to do like a free option, right? Or you can just use our templates. All right. Now, speaking of templates, ignore these thumbnails. What you're actually seeing, we're going to update the thumbnails, but this is what the page actually looks like. And there's like an editor and different things you can do in here. And you can edit, text. You can do, many things here. We also have the ability, let me close this. You also have the ability to change. We're going to use this one. These two will be removed. And this is our new editor. We're continuing to improve it each day, but you can click customize and, you can do basically anything you want to with these. Click up the manage section buttons. If you wanted to cut off, let's say, the urgency banner at the top, you could just simply toggle it off and on. The hero section, let's say you didn't want a video, you could remove the video, the countdown timer. So this will allow you to essentially, it's a basic editor. It's not like a thorough or in-depth drag and drop. Our focus with this product is the actual widgets themselves, and 99% of the people are not going to use our pages. They're going to use the templates. The actual widget buttons to put on their own sites and design their own, landing pages and things like that. That's okay. But we do give you the option to, if you wanted to put a YouTube video here or something like that, then we do give you the option to use our templates and host on our platform. Okay. So we have already set all this up. So this is ready to go. Again, you could use, your own. If you want to use your own page, you would just simply ignore this section and copy this right here and paste it wherever you want it. Okay. So now go to next. And this is the section where we actually promote your event for you. Okay. So you can go through and you can toggle these on and off if you want to. So if you didn't want an initial one, I don't know why anyone would cut these off. But we have emails go out, push notifications to our app users, and then also text messages if you are collecting their phone numbers. Okay. So what you can do here is, you can edit how long it is before, how long after for the replay, like 30 minutes after to the replay, or if you want to wait an hour, 24 hours, 3 days, whatever, you can do that. We recommend you keep the settings as is, as it's worked. It's what's worked the best for us. But you can change these to whatever you want to. You can also edit them on the basic side. We have some guardrails in place because we want to, prevent spam from happening. Okay. But we do push people to your webinar for you, and that's massive. So this is a place where you can add your integrations. So if you want to add an integration, you simply click here. So if you want to connect to, MailChimp or Aweber, GetResponse, whoever, you can connect here. We have integrations in place. We are always updating based on customer feedback. If someone uses, I can't think of anything that's in here, but let's say you use something, that could be used in here. Like we're going to be shortly adding GHL because, of course, how massive GHL is. So we're going to have certain integrations for that. So, we're always taking feedback on what integrations we can add. You can also use Zapier or Webhook or something like that, but these are the main ones that we have. Okay. So this is where these are added, and you can do a bunch of cool stuff, granular stuff, as far as segmenting. So let's say you want to not only collect the registrant, but if someone clicks the button at the pitch in the webinar, but they don't buy, you could send like an abandoned checkout series. So there's a bunch of stuff you could do here, about 15 or 20 different options that we have based on the actual attendee behavior or lack of behavior, right? Like, so if someone doesn't attend, of course, you would send them one. If they signed up but attended and left early, all these things we can segment here. Okay. So then we go to tracking. This is where you would add any pixels if you wanted to retarget people who, let's say, sign up for a registration form and hit the thank you page, but didn't do the webinar, or if they hit the webinar and you wanted to, focus on retargeting them, you could do that. So this is just various third-party form tracking in case you wanted to add that. Then we have the thank you page, and now you can use your own custom page if you want to send them again, just like the registration tab. You could copy the widget. You can do the same here. You can copy this widget, paste it on your own thank you page, and then put that thank you page URL right here so we know where to redirect the registration form and send them to the page with your widget. If you want to keep it simple, you just keep this to the default confirmation page, and we have just some basic ones down here. You can choose. I've chosen this middle blue one, and so we will stick with that and click next. And here is where you can add live events. So we can add polls here if you wanted to ask people what their budget was. If you wanted to ask them if they're enjoying the event. If you want to ask them if they're male or female or get certain demographics from them. you could pull them on anything you want to, right? You can also add a sticky message, which is going to be shown at the top, shown right here. It shows up at the top of every event. And here you can play with the colors if you want to, but this is where you add the actual events. So the mandatory ones that I always have is definitely a sticky message that at least, it says welcome. You can have it dynamic. So you could, if you want the welcome sticky note to stay there for the first 5 minutes, and then at the 5 minute and 1 second mark, you could have another one appear saying, live demo in 20 minutes. And then 5 minutes later, have it pop up live demo in 15 minutes and have, a countdown. It's also, you can make it clickable. So if you go here, like I don't have a redirect URL, but you could have a URL go there if you wanted to. You could link it. So that's also another cool thing you can do. And then there's the CTA, which of course is the buy button, the most important part. You can set where to actually trigger it. So in this pod, for instance, we recommend if you're copying the actual event, you don't want to touch this because we've already timed this to dynamically show the button when it needs to show up. You can change this if you want to, but for the clones, we recommend not. And then you can send this to wherever you want to send it, which is going to be your affiliate link. And speaking of that, let's go back to JVZoo. And you have two options here. So the first one is you just copy this straight up, right? And then go back and paste it right here, okay? That's one way you could do it. Now, if you do that, let's go to the link to show where it goes, okay? This goes to the bundle page, okay? Now, if you don't want to go to the bundle sales page and you want to go directly to the JVZoo checkout, then what you need to do is go to this affiliate link like I just did, copy from the question mark back with your affiliate ID, cut it, click buy now, and we are going to, let's say we choose this one, or let's say this one. Then what we do is simply go here to the top, paste, and there we go. This will be the link that you would be to use. So if we copy and paste that again and hit enter, it will load the page, and at the bottom you will see that I am the affiliate, and that's how you get cookied for the sale. And you can add that right back here. Instead of going to the pre-checkout page, you could change it to this link, and this will go directly to the checkout itself. Okay, so obviously that's going to convert much higher than sending them to one extra page to read to the copy and choose an option. They might choose the $57 option or whatever in this case. So you want them to go for the more expensive bundle. So you want to send them directly to checkout if you can. And that's a little secret on how you do that in JVZoo. So we want to save. And then again, if you want to, you can mess with these different ones. If we want to go from, let's say a different color blue, we could change this, to more of a yellow. You can do basically whatever you want. Add the, let's say, purple to this pink, whatever the color scheme is. Now this one I think was blue to orange. We'll do this. I think that was the color scheme here. So anyways, but this will show up in the offer settings. So when the clickable button pops, this is what it'll look like with the text that you wrote up here. But then you also have the sticky message. You can design it. If you want to do different colors, you can do that. I usually stick to the same colors. It's a little bit different on this one because I just changed it to show you. But then it shows the video settings. So if you wanted to see, sorry, let me pause it. If you wanted to see what it's going to look like actually in the webinar event itself, from our border, you can see it here. So if you wanted to make the border like all purple, for instance, or let's say all orange, because the color is orange, right? So you could do the whole thing orange for the color scheme, or you could do, you get the point. You could do the whole thing like a gradient to green, whatever you choose, right? So I'm going to change it back to what it was so I don't mess up our things. Let's see. We'll just change it to this blue and then orange. So once you've added your live events that are obviously the most important thing, or otherwise you're not getting paid, and you've designed, again, mess with this. I wouldn't mess with this unless you just absolutely want to, or you're creating your own events. But as far as our clones, I would keep the software as is. The only thing you would need to update on any of our clones is the integrations, adding it to build your list. as we have already gone over. And then B, over here, you want to add the CTA. You want to add this button by clicking edit and inserting your affiliate link, either the way I just showed you, directly to the bundle page or directly to the checkout. Okay. Now, once we've done that, we go to whether we want to disable the chat or enable. I always keep it enabled because, why not? Who would want a dead webinar event? Then you can do simulated or actual real attendees in the room, or don't display the attendee account. So what this is, if you wanted to make it look like there's 1,957 people in there, you just update that, and then our software dynamically randomly simulates from 0 attendees all the way up to this 1957 number around it. It might go a little bit above, a little bit below, but it mimics actual event trends as far as attendees, people leaving it, going up and down and fluctuating, things like that. Okay. So we'll just keep this at 599. And then we'll go to next. And then this last section, this last tab is, do you want to display the webinar? Of course, usually people do. Sometimes they will say no replay. And the other one, remember, I told you we could set up a podcast or video series in the live event, right? To keep them on there. So if they stay on the live event, then they get it unlocked. Now, if you don't want the people that saw the replay, if you wanted it, for the live event people who stuck around live only, then you would cut this off. But if you want to allow the series to be shown to the replays, then you can do that as well. Okay. And that's literally it. You can go back to my webinars and see it here. It's all set, ready to go. You can again copy your landing page, or you could copy and paste the widgets within here if you want to use your own landing page. Another thing we have is chats. So if someone is here live, you can look at the past and the future upcoming that they're registered for, and the ones live right now. Now you can blast out to the entire group, or you can hit the private chat. So if someone says, how much is this, or whatever, and you don't have an automation in there for that, or you don't have the AI chat in place, you can literally field these yourself or hire a VA to do so. This is also where you will receive your poll feedback. So again, if we poll people and say, are you male or female, it would tell you the percentage of male versus female in the room. And then you can also set tags like for GetResponse, Aweber, or whatever CRM, to say if they're male, send them this. If they're female, send them that, right? Because you might write sales could be different for men than women. Women may want different perks of your product than men do. And it doesn't mean it's, you can only sell to men or women. You could sell the same product, but maybe in a different way, depending on their gender or their psychology, things like that. You could also ask them, their budget. So if you wanted to do a book a call and you wanted to check their budget, anyone under $500, you send them a sequence to maybe a course for $100. If they said, I have $5,000 plus, and they show up here and you set them to a high ticket webinar, add a tag, and then trigger a sequence in your GetResponse or whatever, to drive that $5,000 plus budget person to book a call with you for one of your high ticket courses, consulting, and things like that. Okay. So you can also go to registrants, and this is where all of your registrants will show up. Okay. So the only one we cloned so far is the Cinemation. We haven't done any sessions. We literally just cloned it, but you'll be able to go through and segment these and see how many did any of these options. Okay. How many responded to polls and blah, blah, blah. So you can sort it by these things, right? We also have analytics, which is essentially like the dashboard, but more in depth. This will be where your stats are, and you can segment them by either all the events or, go through each one that you have, and, you'll be able to see it, who signed up for what, how many registered, how many attended the live, how many attended the replay, how many clicked through the button to the checkout, on this and this. So it just shows you in-depth stats of your live event and your replay, and then conversions if you get our pixel and choose, to copy and paste our pixel in there. Okay. You can see the average view time and all this other stuff. I won't go in depth into this, but some just more in-depth stats. And of course, our support if you need it. And now that we have the events ready, our first event ready, we are going to need traffic, right? This is where you can choose the webinar traffic igniter, and you're able to view this, the Pod Prime, which has over $20,000 worth of stuff in it. And I own the content. I own the rights to it. No one else on the planet has access to this footage except for the one person that sold it to me, who has never shared it with anyone. And so yeah, this is from JV Zoo events in the past, and people like, Simon Harries and Laura Castleman, and a bunch of big JV Zoo heavy hitters speaking on stage. And you're able to get that, and you're also able to get lots of blueprints, checklists, email lines, and subject lines, basically inside my whole entire business, and traffic resources. Just a ton of stuff here that you can do as part of the traffic igniter to send to your own custom landing page that you pasted, the registration widget on, or our template page. Okay. And then we also have the other stuff here, which is the partnership, more traffic training and cool stuff there. And then we even have bonuses with more traffic, case studies, and more resources for free tools and resources for free traffic, and different ways to use AI to drive targeted traffic to your webinar events. Okay, so that is WebinarClonesAI in a nutshell. We are super excited to have you. Let us know if you have any questions, and we look forward to hearing all the many case studies on top of our beta testers and all the crazy success stories that they're seeing and sharing with us. We look forward to all of our new customers and members and affiliates and JV partners using this to leverage this to add in income streams to their business as well.
So, let me break down the pricing for you, starting with the front-end offer. This is the main core package of WebinarClonesAI, and it already gives you everything you need to launch and start earning with high-converting webinars right away. Inside the front end, you receive 5 complete done-for-you webinar funnels that are proven to convert buyers between 20 and 50%. The entire system is hosted for you, which means no extra costs for Zoom or EverWebinar. You can simply paste any affiliate link or offer URL, and the funnel integrates it automatically. You also get the powerful AI traffic engine that writes high-converting ads and social media content for you, plus $20,000 worth of free traffic resources and premium training from real top earners. On top of that, everything runs on autopilot with built-in email and SMS follow-ups, dynamic calls to action that appear at the perfect time, smart audience segmentation, live chat simulation, and organic optimization for ChatGPT, Gemini, and the other big AI platforms. You can swap in your own videos anytime, track everything with a real-time analytics dashboard, and follow the simple step-by-step training even if you are a complete beginner. Best of all, you get personal rights to promote any offers you want, and a full 30-day money-back guarantee with no questions asked. Now I will walk you through the one-time offers and bundle deals so you can see which upgrade might be perfect for you. OTO 1, the WebinarClonesAI Partnership Upgrade. This upgrade gives you behind-the-scenes access to Alan's real business assets, systems, and automations. Instead of guessing what works, you get proven campaigns and processes that are already generating results. Inside this upgrade, you receive access to Alan's active ads that are currently running and converting, complete email sequences including follow-ups and buyer campaigns, proven subject lines that boost open rates, ready-to-use templates and sales assets, word-for-word sales scripts for every stage, behind-the-scenes automations, customer acquisition strategies, and even access to Alan's business connections, plus sources for reliable virtual assistants. OTO 2, the WebinarClonesAI Recurring Partners Upgrade. This one is all about building steady monthly recurring income instead of just one-time commissions. With this upgrade, the same leads can keep paying you month after month without needing extra traffic or more selling. You get monthly recurring commissions from every referral, no selling or customer support required on your part, built-in referral opportunities already inside your webinar funnels, and the chance to stack recurring income over time for more stable and predictable earnings. Then we have OTO 3, the WebinarClonesAI Empire Upgrade. This turns the whole system into a complete agency-style business. You can customize funnels, offer services to clients, and charge premium fees while the AI handles most of the work. Inside the Empire Upgrade, you receive full branding and customization control, the ability to run unlimited webinar events at the same time, agency rights to build funnels for coaches and businesses, AI-powered selling tools, multiple income streams from clients and retainers, and a scalable model that lets you grow without burning out. OTO 4 is the WebinarClones AI Done For You upgrade. This is perfect if you want everything professionally set up for you, so you can skip the setup process completely. The team handles everything inside this upgrade. You get 5 fully configured webinar funnels with your affiliate links already integrated. All pages, emails, and automations connected and tested, plus done-for-you positioning, so the funnels are optimized and ready to receive traffic the moment you log in. Finally, we have OTO 5, the WebinarClones AI White Label upgrade. This is the big one that gives you full ownership-style rights over the entire platform. With the white label upgrade, you can rebrand WebinarClones AI as your own product, add your name and logo, keep 100% of the profits from every sale, build your own affiliate program, and create custom funnels and pricing. It lets you turn this into a long-term digital business asset that you fully own and control. Now here is the part you have been waiting for. Do you want to grab a huge deal at a massively discounted price? Then the WebinarClones AI Bundle deal is hands down the smartest choice. This bundle gives you the front-end premium access plus all the major upgrades combined together. Inside the bundle, you receive the core WebinarClones AI front-end, 10 done-for-you webinar funnels instead of just 5, the powerful AI traffic engine upgrade already built in, OTO 1, the partnership upgrade, OTO 2, the recurring partners upgrade, and OTO 3, the Empire Agency upgrade. You also get all the exclusive bonuses and trainings, including the complete Traffic Launchpad guide, warm-up email sequence templates, VIP early access to future updates and new webinars, plus lifetime evergreen updates. This bundle is pure value. It hands you more funnels, advanced traffic tools, recurring income streams, full agency capabilities, and everything you need to maximize your results in one complete package. Instead of buying each piece separately, you save a huge amount and get a full business in a box that covers traffic, conversions, follow-ups, client services, and long-term scaling all at once. If you are serious about building a profitable webinar business fast, this bundle is by far the best way to go. If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault, a bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos. Perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2. The 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like create and monetize your own AI influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals. Writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7. Ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, whiteboard explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones, and Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resale rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.
And that is my complete review of WebinarClonesAI. We covered exactly what this platform is, all the powerful features that make webinar marketing so much easier, the full demo of how it works inside, the front-end pricing, every one-time offer, and the massive bundle deal that gives you the best value. WebinarClonesAI truly stands out because it hands you proven done-for-you webinar funnels, smart automation, and traffic tools so you can start generating commissions without all the usual headaches of creating everything yourself. Whether you are a complete beginner or you want to scale into an agency model, this system gives you everything you need to move faster and earn more. If you are ready to take action, head over to the link in the description box right now. There you will find my full written review with the latest discount codes, the best bundle pricing, and all the details on every upgrade. Plus, when you grab WebinarClonesAI through my link, you will also receive my exclusive special bonuses that will help you boost your traffic, improve your conversions, and get faster results with the product. Do not miss out on this opportunity. Click the link below, check out the current offers, and secure your access today while the discounts are still available. Thank you so much for watching this review. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments and I will reply as soon as I can. I appreciate your support and I cannot wait to see you crushing it with WebinarClonesAI. Until next time, take care and I will see you in the next video.